Okay, so Abhay, quick question. You are so bullish on Bitcoin, but when I think about Bitcoin, I don't see anything. I can't touch anything. So how do I even know that Bitcoin is real?
That's a great question, Shambhavi. So, a lot of things in today's world are digital, which means that we have to use our imagination to perceive it. So, example, let's talk about all the money that we have in our banks. Most of the time, we are looking at it digitally, maybe in a net banking or in UPI. We see that we have 10,000 rupees in HDFC Bank or State Bank of India. It's not really physical notes. You can go and find a physical note, but basically it's digital. And more things in today's world are digital. So, example, if someone sends a email to us, we read it on our phones, and it used to be a physical letter, but now we read it on our phones. We kind of forward, delete, store, or whatever. So, a lot of things are digital, and we in our minds have built um, uh, kind of tools to perceive it and relate to it of what is the in the past physical manifestation of it, and in today's digital world it's just a digital manifestation but has the right all the same properties that the physical version has. So from a Bitcoin perspective, what works for me is thinking of it like digital gold. Like I could touch, feel digital or gold in like, with my hands, and perceive it as of value. Similarly, I can now think of it in the digital form, which is Bitcoin. And then sometimes when I am using a hardware wallet or any other self custody device, that then becomes some more physical manifestation of saying, oh, I can use this tool, which I can touch with my hands to access my Bitcoin. So those are some of the ways in which I'm able to make that leap. But it is a kind of a learned trait where, similar to other things which have become digital, and we feel good with it or okay with it and acceptable with it, while erstwhile it was physical. It's the same journey in my mind for store of value as well.
Very well put, Abhay. And I think I agree because I kind of resonate with the idea of the bank account balance and then the Bitcoin wallet balance. They're kind of the same.
Yeah, it makes sense. It's just two forms. So all our stocks, everything that we hold, most of the times is digital. So you could see your stock or bonds in some kind of a brokerage account, whether it's ICICI Direct, Zerodha, or whatever you might be using. Similarly, you go to GetBit and you say, hey, this much Bitcoin is what I own. And you go to your bank and say, hey, this much rupees I have in my bank account. Transfer that rupees to GetBit and buy Bitcoin.
Perfect.